Hello everybody, Minecraft Silka here again, and boy, we are doing another white noise. God, this game is like ultra fun and like in a devastating way that I have to turn up my fucking TV to so that you can hear it. And I've got my mic on my head, and I'll be filming on PC shortly. So yeah, I've got my mic. I'm just setting it up, and so it's just me and 3 random guys this time, or 2, or 1. Choose. I'm just sort of waiting. So what we're going to do is, if this takes long, I'll cut it out, and I'll just fast forward straight to the part where I was. Alright guys, we're back, and sorry I had to cut that out, it was just too long. Alright, I've got 2 guys, and I believe we are going to start it. Alright, let's do this. I don't want to give those guys chances because they'll just leave. Alright, so this is in Diddley, episode 5. Oh, shite. Yes. Love it. Brilliant. Alright. Come on, guys, follow me. Alright. I'll try my hardest. I mean, I'm not an expert at this fucking game, but at least I know what dog shit is compared to a game that's scary. Oh, standing stones. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, shit. Might come down to the last person, which is me. Oh, take one. Alright. There we go. Fuck. Now's a good time to shit myself, I suppose. Whoa. Oh, God. Dude, I thought that wooden pole was a mannequin for a second then. The fuck? Not funny. Right, okay, let's go. Why the fuck is this getting funny anyway? Like, totally. Oh, it's on normal difficulty, innit? I've just remembered. Alright. Oh, Jesus Christ. Still there? No. Oh, stones. Oh, Jesus. Right. Jesus Christ. Oh no, it's cold. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to look to see if my friends are behind me. Oh, Jesus, or random people, I should say. Oh man. Jesus Christ! That is a bit close, don't you think? Oh, he's gone. It looks like these guys have just seen him. No? What are you guys doing? Oh no, that guy's... Oh wait. Oh, what's going on? Oh, Jesus Christ. I only got to take 1 terracotta. Surely there's got to be something around here. Come on. Hell. Well, I got +3 for my torch, so should be alright. I hope you guys sort of appreciate it. I mean, a 20-minute or 60-minute video does take about 3 hours to upload to YouTube and make. So, if you think about it, it's half a day just uploading 1 fucking video. But it's fun, and that is the whole fucking point. Right, come on, there's gravestones, come on. It's a fucking terracotta. just teleported there. Did not see it before. Alright, are these guys following me? Yes, they are. I'm not a type of person that likes looking back all the time, or left, or fucking right either. I just like to look forward, but sometimes you just have to. Come on. Is there no tape recorder? No, probably isn't, because I would have heard it. Right, okay, I think we should just keep going straight, screw it. Whoa! Shite! Maybe not, alright. Oh, fuck. Dude. Is this guy trying to kill me? Like, oh, like in real life, not fucking game-wise. Jesus Christ. Give me a heart attack. Bloody hell. Fuck! What the hell? Oh! Piss, what the fuck? My screen's still going white. Piss off! Come on, cover me, rock. Cover me, cover me. Jeez. Jesus. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, oh, it's gone. Wow. I wonder where he teleports. Like, I wonder when he teleports. I wonder where he goes. I wonder if he like teleports from random locations. Holy shit! Maybe not. Oh Jesus Christ! Come on, that's not fair. He just did that in like 2 seconds. Man, he is quick. I don't like this. I don't like this. Man. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. Piss off! You piece of dog crap, literally. Oh God, I shouldn't have looked at him. There we go. Man, he's teleporting like a fucking wizard today. Holy schmoly. Woo! My face is going like sway. Jesus Christ. I prefer it when I'm with my friends, not a couple of druggies. Jesus Christ. Man. They're probably like, oh fuck, what is this guy doing? Oh my God, he's at fucking recording and he's like shitting himself and like what's the point in canning himself with a big white sloppy? Oh Jesus! Big white sloppy shit. Yes, there we go. Let me finish my sentence at least. Jesus Christ. He doesn't like me, this guy, does he? He's a fast fucking teleport guy. Jesus. Oh. Yeah, I was gonna say snap, but I don't like saying that word. It's just irritating. Well, hardly, but oh God, guys, he's like right there. Oh my God, we're so screwed. I'm trying to get to the other side, but I'm trying to discover it. Whoa! Oh, there it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is scary. I prefer it when I'm with my friends. I actually know what I'm doing. Oh man, he's there! This tape recorder! Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Shit! Oh my God, it's right on the other side. Come on! Come on! Go, go, go! It's not that! It's not that! Oh, it's not that! Where is it? Where is it? What the fuck is it? Where is it? Oh, you bastard! You took it. Oh man. God, I'm starting the idea of doing it with my friends, not... Oh, I look like a hand. Ugh. What difficulty did I do this on? Like Nightmare or something? I didn't see. I'm playing all the maps, and when I've finished all the maps, guys, that'll be the end of the season. So maybe this is the end. I don't know. But next, I'm filming on the PC, which is Happy Wheels, and I've got my mic, as I said, so that'll be pretty beast. Ugh. Right. Oh man. I don't like this. Oh no, house, are you fucking serious? Oh, I had so good memories of these houses though. Like me and my friend like camping in here and seeing Slendy in the window and shit like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, who wouldn't remember a thing like that? Oh yeah, there's one in here. How would I not guess that? Right, come on guys, somebody has to run out that direction. And it's gonna be me, because I'm doing it! Screw! Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay, I did it, I'm out, guys, come on, quick. My torch is slowly getting more crap at the time. I don't like this. It's creeping me out. What was that? Oh, it's just a regular stone. Oh, nuts. When am I ever going to get 8 tape record? It's like, it's not going to happen anytime soon. The highest I've ever gotten this season is 6, innit? Something like that. Fuck. Oh, my torch. Jesus. I turned it off there, so don't panic. Just because I'm trying to fucking reboot it, if that's actually possible. Whoa! 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 Holy! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh! Holy shit! Fuck! Did you see that? Holy shit! Dude, my heart just literally popped out my chest. Fucking hell, like... Did you see that? Holy shit, it was like right behind me. Fuck, I don't think I'll ever see him that fucking close again. Alright, well, that is the end of episode 5, and that was god-smacking arse, literally, whatever. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed, and, to be honest, I think that is really all the maps. I don't know if I've done something wrong, and I'll have a check back and whatever. Alright, so I hope you did enjoy. Remember, you know what you do best, guys. You usually subscribe and make people fucking awesome. So, alright, so I guess I'll see you guys in episode 5, episode 6, if I do it. So, peace out, guys.